Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our fourth tutorial of Xcode series. In this tutorial, we are going to understand code area, design area, and what is the debug area and how to use all these areas. All these things we are going to learn in this Xcode tutorial. So please watch the tutorial to the end. And friends, I have added this link in a description box of all previous Xcode tutorials, and please subscribe the channel to watch a full video series and all iOS development related videos. You please subscribe the channel, share the video, like video, and friends, let's start our learning. Friends, first we are going to understand about design interface. This is our project design interface. This is the main storyboard project screen of our project, and this entry point indicate that this screen will appear first when you build your application. This is the main view of screen and safe area. This is a safe area. In this you will add all design component within your safe area so that it will visible properly in your iPhone screen. If you are adding a component out of this area, see, in the previous device without notch device you will not find element which you have added out of safe area. So you have to check that you have add all elements in this safe area. Now this is a label we have added for a testing purpose. First we are understanding all options in this design area. So friends, you can, whenever you add a new design screen, you can go to this plus icon and find a view controller. When you want to add a new design screen, view controller, so you can add this way a new view controller. You can see here two view controllers available now. First was this view controller and second is this view controller. Now friends, we will understand how to add a class code file for this controller. You can check first view controller is already assigned, which is this view controller file. Now we will add a code file for this view controller. For that you have to go in file, new, and select Coco Touch class. Next, and you have to name your view controller file first view controller, and you have to select a UI view controller in your subclass, and next, and create. You have created this view controller file. Now we will connect this view controller class to this screen. So select on this screen and go to your fourth tab, inspector, identity inspector, and you have to find your name first view controller and select. Now how you can check this file is connected with this screen or not? You can select here, and in this tab assistant, select on assistant. This code file automatically open when you select on this file. If you select the first view controller, you will find the file related to that controller. Now select this and we will understand how to connect any of the element, how to add outlet to your connect your component with your code file. Let's suppose we are taking a label, center We are setting it to center. You can increase the height little, font size. Now select this label, right click right and drag your and set your name for your label. Text label, I am giving name. This way you can connect your label to your code file. Now you can use your label in your code file like text label. This way you can access your label. Let's suppose you want to print a value you have set in your label, so you can print like this text label dot text. You can get value of the text you have set in your text label. Let suppose we set value equal value 1 in text label. Now friends, we will understand this way you can connect your component. Now we are going to understand all other options in design interface. Here filter option you can find. If you are working with so many screens, you can find any of the screen from here. This is option you can hide this navigation area of design. You can select your dark, you can check your design in dark mode and white mode. You can rotate your screen from here. Here you can rotate. Here all device option available. You can check your design in all of the device. You can check in iPad also. This is a minimize maximize option. You can zoom your design to check. Let's go to iPhone option, iPod 13. Now friends, this side option are available to add auto layout for your constraint. You have for your label constraint, you can set here a center constraint. All alignment related constraint you can set from these options. Second option is you can set margins from left, right, top, bottom, height, width, aspect ratio, all this from here. From here you can set options. You can reset your constraint if anything is not properly set. Last option, embedded. You can embed your this embed. You can add this your this label in another component. Like you can add this label in view, in scroll view, in stack view. All you can understand in a deep in next tutorial when we creating a tutorial related to auto layout. Now we are understanding how all these options used for all design interface. You can friends, here you can navigate recently directly to particular element. Now we are going to understand a code file which we have created. Now this is your code file class which which inherited UI controller class. When you are working with class in related to UI, you have to import this UI kit. We have print this value. Let's check what it prints. First component, friends, here value is 1. We have set this value in. Now your code folding, this is your code folding. You can fold your code if this is a very large code with your working. Friends, you can debug the value also this way. You can you can disable debug point from here. You can watch a 3D view of your design. Sometimes it happens that with complex design you will some layer will not working properly or overlaps to each other. You will find here from this 3D view you can easily identify your issue. It will really helpful to you to find a design related issues. We have set it the debug point, that's why it stuck here. And you can find your memory usage as per you have run your build. Your building is running now. So friends, all about this debug area and code area. In next tutorial we are understanding how to connect two screens when we are working with more than one screen. How to connect two screens via interface. So with design, how to connect two screens we are understanding in next tutorial. Thank you.